Welcome back to the channel. The engine room bilge is the lowest area of the ship's hull, designed to collect all manner of unwanted liquids, mainly water from leakage, condensation, or cooling systems, mixed with small amounts of lubricating oil and fuel oil residue. A bilge well is a localized pit, usually located near the suction point of the bilge pump, where these liquids accumulate before being pumped out. The function of the Bilge Well Level Switch is absolutely critical to the safe, automatic, and environmentally compliant management of these accumulated liquids. Its primary role is to automatically start and stop the bilge pump. As water collects in the bilge well, it raises a float or changes the state of a sensor. Once the liquid level reaches a predetermined high-level set point, the Bilge Well Level Switch sends a signal to the electrical starter, turning on the bilge pump. The pump then draws the water and oil mixture out of the well and transfers it to a holding tank or directly to the oily water separator, or OWS. As the liquid level drops due to the pumping action, it eventually reaches a low-level set point, where the switch then signals the pump to shut off. This automatic cycling ensures that the bilge water is managed continuously without constant human intervention, keeping the engine room floor as dry as possible to prevent slips and electrical hazards. Modern marine regulations, especially those concerning pollution prevention like MARPOL, have added extra layers of complexity and necessity to the level switch system. The level switches also serve as critical alarms and safety interlocks. A failure in the drainage system or a significant leak can cause the bilge well level to rise faster than normal. In this scenario, an additional very high-level switch is activated. This switch triggers a distinct urgent alarm in the engine control room and sometimes on the bridge. This signals to the crew that there is a potential emergency, such as a major water ingress or a pump failure, requiring immediate investigation and manual intervention. Furthermore, on ships equipped with an automated pump-to-OWS system, the bilge well level switch is often interlocked with the OWS. The pump will only be allowed to start if the OWS is confirmed to be ready and operational, ensuring that any discharge overboard is compliant. The switches themselves must be robust to cope with the harsh, oily, and corrosive environment of the bilge. Common technologies include the simple, highly reliable mechanical float switch, where a buoyant float physically operates a microswitch, or conductive probes, which sense the change in electrical conductivity as the water level rises to bridge two probes. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.